When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust.
Hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In this video I gonna tell you what is cookie sniffing or stealing attack and how your any social media or other account can be hacked by this attack. So here we will firstly understand the concept of cookie session hijacking or sniffing. So when we put data on a website, it goes to a router directly and then to the server. So if a hacker intercepts our network and steal the cookies in which our credentials like username and password is stored and use it in on machine, then our social media account will be opened in an other device. So here is a simple concept that if we put an username and password, then it is stored in the cookies and we are not required to sign in or log in again on that website. It's automatically open our account. So here I will show the practical also of cookie session hijacking. So here I will open my Linux machine firstly. So my social media account of Reddit is opened here. So what I will do here is firstly export all the cookies that I used to log in that page. So when I put credentials on this page, all the credentials were stored into the cookies. So here I will search for cookies, and what I will do now is go here and save all to the file and save file and click OK. So all the cookies are stored in our device. So now I will delete the cookies from here and now reload that Reddit page. So you can see we are again required to sign in here and my account is not opened again. So what I will do here is just go to my Linux machine, file system, and now to downloads. So here are our cookies of JavaScript file that was stored by us. So what I will do here is go here, search cookies for reddit.com and delete all these cookies, and what I will do here is import cookies from the file saved by us previously. So here is that cookies and I will open here, and when I will go to the back page and reload the page, so here our account will be opened and you can see my account is opened again with the help of cookies. So concept is that if a hacker intercepts our network and steal all the cookies and use it is on machine, so our social media account will be opened there and he can change our password and other stuff if the two-step authentication is not opened. So now I will show you that how these cookies are transferred to the Wi-Fi network. So when I transferred my credentials on this Wi-Fi network, so here all the cookies are transferred from IP. Here I am using Wireshark, and that cookies can be intercepted by any software like Burpsuite or BetterCap, EtherCap, Wireshark. So it shows that our cookies can hijack our all this session. So how you can get protected? So you have to do is not connect your Wi-Fi with an open source unsafe network, because it's easy to do on that, or if the site is not using the HTTPS. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.